Kadikir. Welcome back to the channel. So, surprise! I'm with Miss Ann Balagas.
Hi, hello guys.
Yeah, super proud kasi, ang galing na niya mag-act. And then,
Sure.
she's a co-makeup artist as well today. She helped me sa mga clients na mini-makeupan. And we're here at, Spotlight. And first time nga naka sa akong channel, no?
Yeah, first time.
Nabat ko sa
Nanonood
una.
ko, no, wala.
ba?
It's my first time, that's why I can make a vlog.
Yeah. Guys, follow her and also all her social media. Links will be listed down below, and especially akong ibutang ang iyang diri sa iyang YouTube channel.
Oh my
Follow her, guys. Let's support her. Ato siya paabto ng more than 1,000.
Yay!
Kapit na! Yes, thank you, thank you. So, asa ka mga afam pa ka karon dili na.
Ay, ha?
Mga afam pa ka.
Depende kung na yung maabot.